To eat. She eats breakfast every morning. To drink. He drinks coffee at the office. To sleep. She sleeps 8 hours every night. To read. He reads an interesting book. To write. She writes a letter to her friend. To open. He opens the door slowly. To close. She closes the window because it's windy. To sit. He sits on a chair in the kitchen. To stand. She stands in front of the mirror. To wait. He waits for the bus. To drive. She drives to go to her work. To walk. They walk in the park. To swim. She swims in the lake. To dance. They dance together at the party. To sing. He sings a happy song. To cook. She cooks for her family. To clean. He cleans his room on Saturday. To wash. She washes the clothes at the laundry. To buy. He buys fruits at the market. To sell. She sells flowers in the square. To pay. He pays the bills online. To study. She studies French every evening. To learn. He learns to play the guitar. To teach. She teaches English to children. To listen. He listens to music in the living room. To watch. She watches a movie with friends. To travel. They travel to Italy this summer. To stay. He stays at home today. To cut. She cuts the vegetables on the board. To build. He builds a new house. To fix. She fixes her bicycle. To draw. He draws a beautiful tree. To paint. She paints the wall blue. To send. He sends an email to his boss. To receive. She receives a package. To choose. He chooses a new sweater. To win. She wins the game. To lose. He loses his wallet. To remember. She remembers her birthday. To forget. He forgets his keys at home. To laugh. They laugh at a joke. To cry. She cries with joy. To love. He loves his family. To hate. She hates the cold. To break. He breaks a bad habit. To repair. She repairs the lamp in the living room. To plan. They plan a trip to the mountains. To wait for. She waits for her friend outside. To smile. He smiles when he sees her. To shout. She shouts in surprise. To meet. They meet at the cafe. To kiss. He kisses her on the cheek. To hug. She hugs her mother. To stay until. He stays until the rain stops. To hope. She hopes for sunshine.